21st century, this telly's got us tripping. Netflix chilling when the best bits living. I haven't seen that series, why you telling me I'm fibbing? Man, it's all television, please tell me what I'm missing. I just listen to your shit and fast forward. Each to their own, man, I know I'm past awkward. Society's changed, my mind is astray. Sometimes I simply write rhymes and stay inside for the day. Spend the darkest days with the brightest of brains. I like to think it's time for a change. Intense trip. Few streams in my room with the incense lit. Less about me though, this bed shifts. Forget about ego, your big head splits. Let this mind bend. Let me see what you see, testing the eye lens, fresh incitement. Your neuron spot when your mind excites them. Let's make time stop. Let's vibe, ignite our fires in the right spot. Vessel a temple. Mind, body, soul all aligned in a central. Let's get mental. No football fan, but my side successful. Diamond press torch. Pain's been game when my life's been stressful, been eventful. Did shit young when you're down in the dirt, then the wisdom comes. Can't skip these things, can't miss this fun, can't clip these rings, can't snip this tongues. Look to the sun, the eclipse will come, might shoot to the moon, can't miss this one. This my mind, can't glitch this one. Elon Musk can't chip this one, can't chip this one, can't chip this one. Back like a razor about to shave you. Day 29, sound surfers back to phase 2. Never ending world story, still the same news. Backstrap a bat and back to fathom what the brain do. Straight through the portal. It's strange what his thoughts do. The layer cake basics in this matrix, we immortal. It's normal, about to dig deeper than a dinosaur. Mind, body, soul, brain mazing with my minotaur. Silent thoughts done that. Mind the war, fuck that. Hide and seek teasers, man, we leaking where my plug's at. Cuts back, scissors snipping lyrics from my buzz rats. Went quiet for a while, it's about time I made a comeback. Back to get it, I've been backing with the swing of things. Pieces to the puzzle whistle, simple when it's sinking in. Simple synchronicity is subtle, but it's there though. Love it just to love it, let the fear go. Grom. By myself. Never thought I'd leave this country just to find myself. It all seems sunny in my mind, I melt. And yeah, I'm hungry, but this money can't buy my health. And yeah, I feel for your tears, but to cry myself, I spent years trying to clear out these eyes wide well. Make wishes as a kid, I'm trying to find my wealth. Time's ticking, but I'm slipping on this ice quite well. Wide world, looking for my bright-eyed girl. There's plenty fishes in the sea, but see the size, wide yell. Right well, 9, 5, 9 times 12. Shit's tricky when you're tripping, but the eyesight's swell. Wise minds spell and sheep seek shepherds for a word. If you get it, then you get it. If you get it, then you heard clear. We ain't from the herd here. We just trying to speak and hope it reaches to the third ear. It's clear. Every spy has a third ear. Strong believer in the time and trust me. Sound surfer straight out of the underground like miners, cuz he's straight spitting. Straight digging for that diamond money. Keep the tape spinning, crate digging, keep that vinyl fuzzy waxed up. Never touch the needle if your tat suck. Careful when them cats cuts, those claws will get you scratched up. Pedal to the metal, instrumentals get me gassed up. Always getting busy, check the presents that me wrapped up. Another love lost, I approach it all alone. Back to self-care, back to coping on my own. Back to my soul, no lower in the tone. Forget about the texts, there's no emotions in the phone. I'm on flight mode, I ain't trying to fight or walk a tightrope. I'm trying to be the best man I can and hit the right notes. Cause right now, I ain't even looking for another fling. I'm trying to get my mind right and focus on the other things. Cupidity, stupid, snidely right in my gut and shin. The only way is up and I ain't stopping for a fucking thing. Recently releasing all my feelings got me running thin. Dealing with depression got me venting up on glugging gin. Suffering, not numb and sin. Same time I'm calm, mate. A thought is a thought and I ain't thinking what my heart says. Same time, I ain't trying to hear my head either. I'm just trying to clear it and